Hello everyone, welcome to Quantum Guruji. So today in this video we are going to discuss about ESP plots. The electrostatic potential plot for any molecule using Gaussian software. So first we need to have a formatted checkpoint file or checkpoint file to analyze this ESP plot. So right now I am having a formatted checkpoint file here. So I'll open using Gauss view. Okay, just take any molecule, whatever is your interest, you can take it. Okay, so this is my formatted checkpoint file, and in this case you can see we are having oxygen here, right? Go to the view menu and symbols. So you can see we have oxygen here, and this oxygen will be having two lone pairs, right? So oxygen has more electron density, or other way you can say it has more electronic charges, right, in negative. And then we exactly don't know what is the electron deficient centers here in this molecule. So ESP plot will help us to guide to see which is the electron rich and which is the electron deficient center in this molecule. Okay, so right click and go to the results menu. There you go to the surface and contours, and there you have to generate the cube file. Cube file is nothing, it is just the electron density coming from your SCF calculation will be coming under grid. Coming under 3D grid. So yeah, for in cube file you can see you'll be having several things, ESP and other things also. But if you are directly going for ESP, you will be getting just the electrostatic potential. But generally what we do is we map the ESP on the electron density so that we can get the good visual of electron density mixed with the electrostatic potential. Otherwise you'll be having just the electron deficient and this rich regions, and will be difficult to analyze. So what we do, first we get the total density using SCF calculations. You can use any level, so the best one is the fine, or you can go for custom also. Just to save time I'm just using coarse and giving the number of processor. Okay, once you click OK, there will be one file running in the background. Okay, this exe file will be running, and it may take quite some time, maybe 1 and 2 minutes. Okay, it is done. Similarly, we'll generate the ESP cube file at the same level. Okay, once your electron density and the cube, this electrostatic potential cube file is generated, what you need to do is go to the surface action. Okay, so this is the CubeGen file for this electrostatic potential. May take quite some time, maybe 1-2 minutes, depending on your system and the molecule. It may take time. Okay, so it is done. Now we'll go to the surface and actions. There we go to the new mapped surface and click on use an existing cube file. Okay, and select number of processor that you want to use. Okay, so you see one molecule means the electron density has come here, right? Now it is like molecule is not visible. We'll go to the view menu, display format. Here we go to the surface, and here you can change the format. You can go with mesh, you can go with transparent system. So generally, so this is the transparency level. You can go with increase and decrease the transparency, right? And this is the fade map view. So once you have this faded map surface, you won't see that molecule. Just click on this fade map surface values. You can see the molecule as well as your electrostatic potential surface. So this is the good way, right, to put in the paper also, or your whatever manuscript you are writing. Okay, so now we'll analyze this. So this red region is suggesting that electron rich centers, while this blue region is electron deficient centers. Okay, and you can see this color ranging from the electron rich center to electron deficient centers. These colors are the slight means coming under slight electrons are there, like little less, but more of the electron density is on the oxygen side. That information you get from this electrostatic potential surface. Now if you want to save this molecule or ESP for your publication purpose, go to the file menu, save images, and put the name of anything, some name you give, and save it. So generally for publication purpose we need in the TIFF file format, or if you want for some presentation purpose you can go for JPEG and all. So right now I want in the best format, that is the TIFF. I'll go with the TIFF, and background make it white or transparent something, so that the colors will be visible clearly. Save it. Now if we go and see the file, see the file, nice crystal clear molecular electrostatic potential surface you can see here, right? So if you have any doubt pertaining to this video how to do this ESP surface analysis, you can put in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Thank you for watching.